For today, there are a lot of chances which are just going to be started after some time, and these chances will increase as time progresses. And for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, these are the more appropriate days if we talk about rain. So the chances will be at its peak. And if we talk about today, so today as well, there are so many chances of rain. And now at the map, we could see some clouds are gathering at Thatta and just surrounded across Karachi after some time. We should wait for 1 hour, and after that, these clouds, when it will be close to Karachi, so after that, we could find rain, inshallah, in the evening. So we are just waiting for it, and we will keep you update timely.